Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the Pldt admin password and a device plugged into the network. Once logged into 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1, make a quick note of the current DNS entries so you can revert if needed. Then choose a reliable DNS to use, for example, Google 8, 8, 8, 8 or Cloudflare 1, 1, 1, 1, and keep them handy. Finally, navigate to the router's settings menu, labeled WAN, Network, or Internet to begin changing DNS values. Once in the WAN or Internet panel, look for DNS options and disable any automatic DNS assignment. Then type your chosen primary DNS into the primary field and a secondary DNS into the backup field. Include IP6 addresses if your connection uses IP6. Save or apply the settings, which may prompt a router reboot. Permit that reboot. After the router restarts, clear DNS cache on your device to force resolution to the new servers, using system commands or by restarting the device. To finish, verify the change by running nslookup or ping to confirm queries, hit the new DNS and web pages resolve correctly. If sites fail to load, reboot your modem and router together, re-enter the DNS values, and clear the client DNS cache. If that still fails, restore the original entries and reevaluate. Make sure Pldt isn't forcing DNS via DHCP. If they are, set DNS on each device or use encrypted DNS like DNS over HTTPS. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.